let's solve this question. Is subsequence. So we got two string and we want to see whether S is a subsequence of T. We can use two pointer to do this. So basically we just check whether the character in S, the current character, happens to be inside of the T. If we loop through the whole S, which means we find the subsequence, otherwise not. Let's do this. If not S, return true. Because in this case, an empty string can be a subsequence to any string. So we have a index for the string S is 0. And for every character in the T, if this character is equal to the current subsequence character, we will move forward this pointer, and after we move forward it, if it's already reached the end, so we find it, return true, return false here. So we can see basically we just run through the whole T, so the time complexity will be OT. And for the space complexity, we only use two pointers, so space complexity will be O1. Thanks for watching.